Nevada, playing at the Freakin' Frog tonight. We're getting a tour of the 700 beers that they have here. Our tour host,
Howard Kennedy.
Howard, how are you?
I am done. Actually, about 800 beers right now.
About 800 beers. That's Marty Sage and Howard together. There they are. Woo! Look at all these beers.
Dude, I want to try it.
Lips of faith right there.
You keep me interested. It's what I always wanted. A girl like you can't for me.
Hey everybody, we're in Salt Lake City with one of our great friends, Morgan. Morgan, say hello. Morgan just took us to a really cool record shop. It's called Slow Train. Good stuff. Everyone should go there. Marty and John, what'd you guys buy?
Hello, Nasty. BC Boys.
Intergalactic planetary.
To Salt Lake City and to good friends. Morgan, we love you.
Love you.
Woke up from a nice nap.
Nice. What state are we in, and why is your hair doing that?
Well, we're in Colorado, probably at about 4,000 feet.
We're actually about 8 or 9.
8 or 9,000 feet. And in this elevation, there's really no controlling my hair. It just kind of does what it wants.
So you're saying that the higher we go, the wilder your hair gets?
Exactly.